Are you tired of dealing with traditional banks and their endless fees? Have you been searching for a banking solution that's built for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and small businesses? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to open a Novo account, step by step. Novo isn't just another bank, it's a financial platform designed to make your life easier. From fee-free business checking to seamless integrations with tools you already use like Stripe and Shopify, Novo is all about simplifying your business finances. And the best part? The entire process can be done in just a few minutes, right from your phone or computer. All right, let's get started. Step 1 is all about eligibility. To open a Novo account, you'll need to be at least 18 years old, and you must be a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident. Your business also needs to be a U.S.-based entity. This includes sole proprietorships, LLCs, corporations, and even nonprofits. If you meet these requirements, you're ready to move on. Next, you'll want to gather your documents. This is a crucial step that will make the rest of the process go smoothly. You'll need a valid government-issued ID, like a driver's license or a passport. You'll also need your Social Security number or, for businesses, your Employer Identification Number or EIN. Having these ready will save you a ton of time. Once you have your documents, it's time to head to the Novo website or download their app. The interface is super clean and easy to navigate. You'll click on the Apply Now button, which will take you to the application form. Now, for step 4, you'll fill out your personal and business information. This is where you'll input all the details you gathered in the previous step. Be sure to double-check everything for accuracy. You'll enter your name, address, and contact information, as well as your business's legal name, address, and structure. The final and arguably most important step is submitting your application. Novo's team will review your information, and in most cases, you'll hear back within a few business days. They might reach out if they need any additional details, so keep an eye on your email. Once approved, you'll be able to access your account, set up direct deposits, and even order a physical debit card. And there you have it, a brand new Novo account, ready to help you take control of your business finances. The entire process is designed to be as simple and stress-free as possible, so you can get back to what you do best, running your business. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.